Hey, good afternoon. This is Alan Buchanan, and welcome to another edition of Thursday Thoughts for Commercial Real Estate. Today, I want to briefly talk to you about the 5 areas of any commercial real estate lease that you should be concerned with and potentially negotiate with your current or your future landlord. Things such as base rent increases throughout the term of your lease. Things such as who replaces the roof in the event your roof needs to be replaced during the term of your lease. Also things like what happens if a landlord is foreclosed. Is your lease in jeopardy? So I'd ask you to click on the link below. That'll take you to a brief article that will provide an in-depth explanation of all 5 of the areas that you should consider negotiating in a commercial real estate lease. I take a layman's approach. This is by no means legalese. I'd highly recommend that you seek legal counsel on any document such as this, but this will give you a good place to start. So I encourage you to click on the link, and if I can ever be of assistance to you, please feel free to give me a call or email me, Alan Buchanan at Lee & Associates. Make it a great week.